I just left it outside. What the hell? Okay. Let's go inside. Okay, I just got this item today, and I just came from my nap, so I look like shit. My face is swelling and everything else. But yeah, just got this from Amazon. It's not something new. It's an old released lens. It's a cheapo lens, but just want to film opening it. So let's start. Okay, so just checking on the lens now. Let me see if it's... Yeah, I can see that there's nothing here, no dust. It's clean. I think it's new. This one's so plasticky up here. So yeah, that's how it is. And yeah, it's pretty clear. And the back part, usually you check this part here if it's been used or not. So there are no gashes up here. So this should be fairly new. Okay. So yeah, got a lens, and hold on, let me just try to get that. So got this thing here. Where is it? Where is it? So I got this one, bought this way back, which works with this. Oh yeah. So we have ourselves a filter now. Variable ND. It's pretty light. It's like a toy, but it should work. Let's see how this looks on my... Oh, I love it. It's just like a 28 mil. It's much lighter. Oh, it's so light. It's so light. I'm loving it. Let's see. So it's pretty wide. Oh, there you go. That's pretty cool. So yeah, this is it. Keep all these aside. Okay, let me talk about this purchase here. This is the Samyang 18mm 2.8. I got the Tamron 20mm 2.8 last time and it was crappy, so I sold it. I already have this one here. It's 1728 from Tamron, and I taped it so that I'll be used to the 18, but you can see it's pretty, yeah, this one here looks good in this camera. Pretty light. It's plasticky though, but don't care. And it's good. Focal length is just fine. So tiny. So nice. I love it. Travel camera. Yeah, so the purpose of this purchase is not for film or for work or anything. This is just for my travel cam. So I'm gonna have the A7C, which is so light, and this lens here, which is just right. It just so happened that I have this ND filter, which was 58 mil. So this is a 58 mil thread. 58 mil thread. No, it's 58 diameter. I don't know if it's mil. Sorry about that. Got carried away. But yeah, I'll see how this thing goes. If this lens is good, let's test it out. But other than that, pretty happy with the size, the weight. It's so light. I liked the Tamron at first because I know that I can trust the Tamron are sharp and the autofocus is good, but that Tamron 20mm was crappy. So happy guy. Yeah, just like a 28mm from Sony.